Hi guys, you know we love Kiwico. We're going to build a light-up robot. We're going to measure different sizes of conductive thread. Conductive means it carries electricity. Now we're going to stick on the battery. Now we're going to put LED lights for the eyes. This is what it should look like. Now wrap the LED lights in place.
So they don't move. This is what it should look like.
Now we're ready to sew the hand. Make sure you push all the way through the felt. Now we'll tie a knot in the thread. Fold the felt away so we can sew the other terminal. Oops, this is the step just before. Now we're going to sew on the other terminal. We're going to sew on the lightning bolt. First we put padding on. Now we'll close the robot. Make sure to use the clips to make it stay together.
There's even more stitching to do. Use the clips to get help.
There's not a face yet? This part is easy. We're just gonna stick stickers on the robot's face and body. These are our finished robots. Can you spot the difference? Our dad had to help us with the stitching, but if you're good at stitching, you can get your own at kiwico.com. Bye!